episode of giving the 50 a makeover. In the last video you guys seen, we put the forks on, the frame, swing arm, a few little odds and end pieces, put the shock on, the bars, the little chain guide, and then the slider. And I said that I wasn't sure because there was some things I wanted to powder coat and stuff like that. I did make up my mind on color, and now if you guys watched the last video, you know I said that unfortunately valve guides for the new motor are not gonna happen for a while, till October actually. So granted, the stock motor is gonna have to go back in, but we can at least change out some parts, like this little stator cover. I actually just got done coating this and pulled it out of the oven, so it's not a million degrees anymore. So now I can actually hold on to it and not burn to death. Went with bronze. It's one of my favorite colors. I don't know why, but I'm a sucker for like the magnesium, bronze, you know, whatever. I did the sprocket as well. That's hanging on the parts rack right now. That's still hot. The brake pedal is in the oven right now. I went with black for that. And I still have to do like the peg mount, the pegs, kickstand, that stuff. But you know, we'll do that later on in this video. But for right now, I guess we can set the frame back on the engine and bolt it in. Just pulled the brake pedal out of the oven. It's still like 9 million freaking degrees, but I love using this color black. It has a shine like no other. The absolute freaking mirror. Anytime I have a customer that wants something done black and they don't want flat, they want gloss, this is exactly what I use right here. Absolutely beautiful color. But back to working on that. guys, so that's gonna do it for this one. Obviously it's back together, but like I said earlier, I still want to do the pegs, peg mount, kickstand, and skid plate as well. So the next time you guys see this thing, all that stuff will be powder coated and going back on, as well as new graphics. I have a few small changes that I want to make to the graphics that I've designed for the new look. Just a couple like real minor little tweaks, and then I can go ahead and order those and get them on the way. But other than that, it's back to being a thing. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop me a like down below, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.